Come on. Stay here, okay? Just don't move.
I'm fine. I just need to get back out.
That might work on your butler, but I'm not buying that crap. Stay there.
Ich begrüße euch zu einer neuen Folge von Batman: The Telltale Series.
Shit. You're lucky you were wearing that suit. You know that was stupid, right?
What?
Showing up at that train depot. Taking on their leader alone. Repeat after me, Bruce. I am not invincible, and painkillers do not solve the problem. You weren't gonna take them down on your own. They would have killed you.
It's not that bad. I've been through worse.
Funny. Any worse and you'd be sent home in a body bag. I don't think you're getting very far with a shoulder like this.
Oh, great.
You can stay here until morning. Feel like I owe you anyway. That's twice now. You just keep adding things to my list, don't you?
Selina.
I told you I don't like owing people. Probably best to lie low for now anyway. I don't want the children of Arkham finding this place. I had it handled, you know. With their leader. I had a plan. Really didn't need you swooping in and messing it up.
I was just trying to help you, Selina.
I didn't ask for your help.
Well, I didn't ask for yours either, but here we are.
Touché. That was gonna be my ticket out of here. One last job to get the goons off my back. So much for that. Thanks again, Bats.
There is another way out. We can take them down together.
Wouldn't that be cute? The dynamic duo fighting crime.
Being serious.
I know. Things have a habit of not working out for me on the duo front.
Bei mir schon.
Oh, look who's back.
Hey, little one.
I don't think she likes you. Okay, she really doesn't like you.
Yeah, well, you've got most of Gotham behind you on that.
Well, not most. Maybe half. Just trying to be optimistic. Cut it out. This really hasn't been your week, has it?
You think? I lost my company, my reputation, and I find out my father was...
Just like everyone else. They've all got something to hide, Bruce. Every last one of them. Even the so-called good guys. There's always something.
So what is it you're hiding, Selina?
All kinds of things. Come on, Bruce. Even you have your secrets.
Habe ich das?
Those things you hide from the world. And won't let anyone else see.
I don't have any secrets from you.
You know, I have heard that 1,000 times. But you might be the first to actually mean it. You're a good man, Bruce. But good men don't lie with thieves. I know what I am. No noble intentions. Just the thrill of breaking what they say can't be broken. Knowing there's no safe I can't crack. No fortress I can't infiltrate.
That's not all you are. I think that's just what you want people to believe.
You put a lot of faith in someone who doesn't deserve it. I've stolen from corrupt jerks like Hill, but I've taken plenty from good people, too. For what? Some shiny new toys and a crappy apartment on the edge of town? The high is nice, but it wears off. Then you look around and see nothing. So you get back out there.
It's not the same, but I know what you mean. After everything we do, everything we're capable of, coming home just feels...
like a disappointment.
right. I think you may have misinterpreted things.
Sorry.
Ich weiß jetzt nicht, ob das jetzt wirklich das war, was ich machen hätte sollen, aber sie hat mich auch schon zurückgestoßen.
Never mind.
Harvey's my friend. I can't do this to him.
There's nothing going on with me and Harvey.
Maybe not for you.
Let me go get you a blanket.
Ja, bevor sich die Katze nicht an mich gewöhnt hat, funktioniert es nicht.
At least she's not hissing at you anymore.
Hooray for small miracles.
Another drink?
Got anything stronger than water?
What kind of a girl do you think I am? Never run into anyone else who did this, you know? You can't be Batman all the time. So what's a night off look like? What do you do when you take off the mask?
You kidding? I love being Batman. I feel more at home in the suit than I do as Bruce Wayne. You ever feel that way?
I guess I just never saw them as different to begin with. Me and Catwoman. It's the same thing.
Habe ich einen Ring gesehen?
To better days ahead.
Aber ist es eigentlich Zufall, dass die beiden in Schwarz gekleidet sind? Kann doch nur Zufall sein, oder? Was?
Bruce?
Morning, Alfred.
Oh, thank goodness. I was worried. I hadn't heard from you. I didn't know what happened if you were...
I took a bit of a beating when I ran to the Children of Arkham.
What happened?
It's kind of a long story. I'll tell you about it when I get back.
I always fear the day you don't come home, Bruce.
I know, Al.
Where are you, anyway?
I stayed at Selina's last night.
Oh.
Nothing happened.
I never said it did. While you're there, this might be a good opportunity to learn more about Miss Kyle. After all, we really don't know anything about her. See what you can find lying around.
Yeah, that's a smart idea. I'll see what I can find.
At the very least, you can find that grapple gun of yours.
Right. That might be harder than you'd think. She doesn't share your love of organization.
Yes, well, I'll see you back at home, Bruce.
Scarlet Pimpernel, Much Ado About Nothing, Petrarca. Didn't take her for a romantic. What's this one? Oh, the Gita Govinda. That's... academic. Her cat eats like a queen while she's eating junk.
Ich habe gemeint, ich hätte da oben noch was gesehen. Oh, ich habe meinen Enterhaken gefunden. Zuerst mal untersuchen, man weiß ja
There
nie.
you are. I hope she didn't break anything.
Ich glaube aber schon. Da ist ein Kärtchen drauf. Blühenlaut ist für...
Vacation spots or just marks on her burglary checklist?
Man macht hier fremde Kühlschränke nicht auf, aber Donuts?
It looks all right to me. Nothing growing, at least. At least she's got the essentials.
Du kannst doch nicht hier einfach...
Harvey.
Hey, I brought breakfast. Can I come in?
I don't know if that's such a good idea.
Just for a minute. I really need to talk to you. If you want me to go, I'll go. But I have to get this out. Bruce? What,
Seriously.
What are you doing here?
Have a seat, Harvey.
No! I don't need to sit down. Bruce, tell me what is going on.
I just came by to check on Selena.
What, with your pants off?
Back off, Harvey.
Don't! Don't touch me! I thought I would come here and... So stupid! God, I should have known. I should have known that you would do this to me. None of it was real anyway. God, how could you ever think it was?
Harvey, nothing happened, I promise you.
No, you don't have to answer to him.
He will not be able to protect you.
And I don't need him to. Just get out of here, Harvey.
What happens when the children of Arkham come for him? You think you won't get caught in the crossfire? You can't stop them. He can't. Are you ready to die on that altar?
I may go down for what my father did, but I won't take her down with me. She'll be fine.
Ah, funny. Thinking you have a choice. Thinking you can save the people around you. Thinking you could do what Harvey couldn't! I'm sorry.
What the hell is going on with you?
Up until now, Harvey has been weak. He's been afraid.
Oh my god.
This is the monster they all know that you are. Embrace it. No, no. Oh God, this is what you wanted to see, isn't it, huh? The freak!
Harvey.
Yeah.
All right, now you've got 2 seconds.
Or what? Harvey won't be pushed around anymore. No, he's gonna make them pay. Everyone who thought they could hurt him and get away with it. Starting with you. Both of you!
You're gonna pick that up.
Who am I?
This isn't you. Just calm down!
Shut up!
Jesus, Harvey.
Mein Gott, Harvey!
Gotta be fair about this. Can't play favorites. They both deserve it, one way or another. How about we flip for it?
This isn't funny.
No, it really isn't. Selena, looks like you're first.
Scheiße, ich habe den Punkt nicht gesehen.
In the middle of things.
Stay the hell away from me.
The call's already been made.
Harvey!
Bruce. No, I don't want to hurt you. This isn't. They turned their backs on you.
Oh, Messer.
Harvey, put the knife down.
Selena!
He's gonna hurt someone. You know we can take him out. Have you lost your mind?
No.
Harvey! You need to calm down.
What are you doing?
No going back now.
Du warst immer ein schlechter Kämpfer und du wirst auch immer ein schlechter Kämpfer sein.
Come on, Harvey, that's enough.
Please. I don't want to be alone, Bruce. Please, not with him. I can't. Oh, God, I can't listen to him.
Who are you talking about? There's no one else here.
It's no one. It's just me. My fault.
Harvey, don't.
Bruce, I don't think we can help him. Not on our own.
It's just me. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me.
I think maybe you're right. There's nothing we can do for him now.
Let me call someone.
I'll go. I know I messed it all up. You don't have to go off with your tail between your legs. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Harvey!
So much for this place. I'm not gonna stick around and wait for him to come back. Thought it would be a while before I had to move again. That's what I get for wishful thinking.
Yeah, you're right. It's not safe to stay here.
And I'm not sure I'm gonna find another place with this kind of private access. Ugh. Maybe I'll live on a boat. Kidding.
Ich weiß schon, wo es endet.
Me too. We won't go far. Don't worry.
You should come stay with me.
I don't know.
There's plenty of space. Alfred could set up a guest room for you.
I'll think about it.
Great.
What was that about?
I'm supposed to announce my resignation at a press event today. Somehow try to appear happy that Oswald Cobblepot is taking my job.
Sounds like an opportunity.
How do you mean?
They screwed you out of your own company. You have all this information that could bring them down, and they're handing you a live mic. So use it. Don't be their puppet.
Maybe you're right. This could be my chance to expose Oswald for who he really is. Let Gotham know he's a part of the Children of Arkham.
Exactly. You better get going. I've got some packing to do.
The offer still stands.
Sounding better and better by the minute.
Ja, genau. Wir werden die Wahrheit über Cobblepot raushauen. Damit einfach, ja, das, was er getan hat im Büro, war abwürdigend Bruce Wayne gegenüber. Und wenn er wirklich ein Freund wäre,
We've
dann,
prepared a
ja.
brief damage control statement to make this easier. After I introduce you, all you'll have to do is read what's on the teleprompter.
And then I can take it from there. Got my little coronation speech just waiting.
Thank you for being so cooperative about all this, Bruce. It really is for the best.
For everyone, really.
I know it's unfair to ask this of you, but please. Right now, your reputation, your entire legacy, depends on your cooperation. Get through today, and I can help you. I can convince the board to bring you back. It might not be CEO, but it will be something. A step to regaining what you're being forced to give up.
Of course we do. Whatever I can do to help.
That's good, Bruce. Trust us to sort this all out. Everything will be fine.
Already then, we are going to make quite a splash today, aren't we? I don't think I'm ever going to forget this day. Beautiful weather, corporate intrigue, a well-deserved comeuppance.
Oh, don't worry, Oz. I'll make sure you remember every moment.
Meaning?
That's enough, both of you. It's time. Bruce, I'm going to introduce you, and then you're on. Please, stick to the teleprompter.
Klar.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here. Wayne Enterprises has always taken its role in the community very seriously.
Isn't it funny?
And we've
How
always
everything
been
I
at the
said to you in the
forefront of
park has come true. Me, taking everything that's yours. And that's not even a punchline. No, dear, not even close. No one's gonna follow you around and take pictures now. It'd almost be sad if you were so bloody handsome.
I know who you really are, Oz. And I'm gonna expose you.
Oh, knowing and proving are two very different things, Bruce. This is just a first step towards making things right. Soon enough, it'll be Cobblepot Industries, Cobblepot Medical, and Cobblepot Tech on tops of buildings, and you, Waynes, will be what you should have been all along. A forgotten footnote. Cobblepot will come to mean the future of Gotham. And Wayne will be a story no one wants to hear.
What the Waynes built would not have been possible without the Cobblepots, Oswald. I suppose you deserve it as much as I do.
Bloody right I do. Glad you're coming around to my way of thinking. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did some digging, and you know how old Hill admitted he had your mom and dad killed? I found out why he did it. Oh yeah, and I'll tell you the story, but only if you say, pretty please. It's quite the page, Turner. I'm sure you're just dying to hear it.
I don't need to know why. Hill had them killed. That's all that matters.
Well, I certainly didn't expect that. But suit yourself. Now you'll never know what part your mum played in it.
And now, Bruce Wayne would like to say a few words.
Remember, enjoy yourself, Bruce. After all, you never know how much time you really have left.
Ja.
I'm stepping down from my position as CEO of Wayne Enterprises. But I am not doing so voluntarily. The board of Wayne Enterprises has voted me out. At a meeting I was not invited to attend.
Ich verabschiede sich von der Korruption.
I know what my father did. I know how much he hurt you. But I am nothing like him. His actions are his own.
Stop trying to save face.
Wollte sagen, in der Deutschland darauf hin.
I worry for the future of Wayne Enterprises. The decisions made in the next few days will be critical in shaping what that future will be.
Careful, Bruce.
Deshalb freue ich mich, Ihnen Hermann etwas vorzustellen.
My replacement, Oswald Cobblepot, is a member of the Children of Arkham. They control his every move.
Security!
Step back, Mr. Wayne.
That was quite a show you put on, Bruce.
My apologies, folks. Please forgive me, Mr. Wayne. Everyone. I, for one, completely understand his behavior.
Nice statement. The press seemed to eat it up. I rather enjoyed it myself. Not that it'll change anything.
I did what I felt was right.
Yeah, well, someone has to. I just didn't think it'd be you.
It's not an easy thing, seeing something you've come to have as part of your identity.
Dropped your pen.
Very self.
That's not...
Taken over by another. I should know. I'm sure some of you remember the
Verdammt.
You feel that? That's the drug taking hold of you. Don't fight it.
You. You're with the Children of Arkham.
No, I am the Children of Arkham. I think it's time you knew my real name. I am
Lady Arkham.
And you already know the Penguin. Look at him up there, taking everything that should belong to you. Mocking you, the smug, insignificant bastard. He thinks he can get away with it. Because none of them know who he really is. They wouldn't believe you if you told them.
And if we can just get one more round of applause for our friend, the man of the hour, Bruce Wayne! Ouch, someone's a little touchy, it seems.
It would be so easy to get rid of him.
Who else will deliver justice?
Was für eine Entwicklung. Wow, Ende von Episode 3. Wahnsinn, ey. Was ist denn da passiert? Hast du Montoya oder Bürgermeister Dendel geholfen? Du und 37,7% der Spieler unterstützten Harvey und ließen Montoya sich allein in der Gefahr stellen. Ja, warum habe ich mich so entschieden? Gute Frage, nächste Frage. Ich wollte beim Bürgermeister gut dastehen. Nein, ich wollte einfach nur dem Bürgermeister eine Chance geben, sich Batman vorzustellen und zu schauen, wie er sein Amt weitergeht. Also die Entwicklung von Harvey Dent ist auch extrem spannend in dem Spiel. Aber auch die ganze Geschichte, die ganze Story. Mein Gott, was ist denn jetzt am Schluss da passiert? Zu den spannendsten Momenten cutten sie immer das Spiel. Kommt mir so vor wie ich. Nun, nächste. Hast du Oswald geschlagen? Du und 60% der Spieler bewahrten die Fassung trotz Oswalds Provokation. Ja, da wollte ich einfach nur zeigen, beziehungsweise dem Oswald zeigen, dass ich dass ich nichts weiß über all das, dass ich nicht weiß, wer er wirklich ist, obwohl ich es weiß, aber ich dachte, wir bleiben ruhig, korrekt, zum ihm zeigen, ja, ich freue mich für dich, du bist mein Freund, du Schulkamerad und ja, ich wollte einfach nicht aufmerksam erregen, um ihm das Zeichen zu geben, ich weiß, wer du bist und ich weiß das von Batman und so weiter. Ne? Das ist alles auffällig, wenn man da provokant ihm gegenüber auftreten würde. Gut, das war der... Ja, hast du Lucius gebeten, bei Wayne Enterprise zu bleiben oder für sie zu arbeiten? Keine Ahnung, ob das abgeschnitten ist. Du und 65,6% der Spieler baten Lucius als Spitzel bei Wayne Enterprise zu bleiben. Ja, das habe ich gemacht, damit wir wirklich von Wayne Enterprise noch ein bisschen Einblick bekommen und so eventuell das weitere Vorgehen kennen können. Hattest du eine Romanze mit Celine? Du und 9,8% der Spieler entschlossen sich für eine platonische Beziehung zu Selina. Das wundert mich zwar, dass so viele doch wirklich das zugelassen haben, aber ich fand, wir sollten erstmal Reinheit im Ganzen bekommen, bevor wir hier irgendwas eingehen. Und sie wollte beim letzten Mal, wo wir sie küssen wollten, nicht. Und darauf habe ich einfach gefunden, ja okay, dann gehen wir weiterhin langsam vor und tasten uns erstmal aneinander, bevor wir hier da loslegen. Nee, also einfach als Respekt auch vor der Frau wollte ich hier jetzt nicht die Situation ausnützen und habe mich entschieden, sie auf platonische Ebene mal als Freundin zu bekommen. Ich hoffe, das bereuen wir später nicht. Hast du Harvey verprügelt oder ihn verschont? Du und 84,4% der Spieler griffen Harvey nicht an. Ja, warum hätten wir ihn auch angreifen sollen? Ich meine, was hätten wir damit bezweckt? Nichts. Wenn sie weich geschlagen hätten wir ihn zwar, aber schlussendlich, was hätte das gebracht? Nix. Gar nichts. Wir hätten ihn höchstens noch verärgert. Und so haben wir versucht, auf diplomatische Weise mit ihm zu reden. Darum haben wir so entschieden. Okay, ihr habt nicht entschieden, aber ich habe so entschieden. So, das waren die Entscheidungen gewesen. Und, ja... Doch, also Mittelpunkt, außer hier der der Punkt. Aber das war's mit Episode 3. Und wie es dann weitergeht, werden wir dann in Episode 4 sehen, aber das zu einem späteren Zeitpunkt. Danke auf jeden Fall fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal, wenn es wieder heißt Batman, The Telltale Series, Episode 4. Also ich schaue noch jetzt, dass das nächste Mal passiert.
After his shocking and atrocious display of violence towards Oswald Cobblepot and members of the press, Bruce Wayne has demonstrated a clear lack of mental stability. That is why, regrettably, I made the decision to have my old friend hospitalized in Arkham Asylum. Batman, the Children of Arkham, the Penguin. Doesn't Gotham already have enough deranged criminals terrorizing its streets? I believe that Gotham's citizens deserve to be safe, that they deserve to be protected. Even if that means I have to do it myself.
With the Children of Arkham out in full force, we need him now more than ever. Where is Batman?
Okay, das wird noch spannend bei Episode 4 und es wird immer wie spannender. Was? Bei der Cloud-Speicherung ist ein Fehler abgestellt, will erneut versuchen, um die Cloud-Speicherung durchzuführen, will Cloud-Speicher deaktivieren, um die Cloud-Speicherung zu deaktivieren und dann mit dem lokalen Speicher. Das kann doch jetzt nicht sein, oder? Auf jeden Fall, ich sage euch ciao, tschüss, ciao, bis dann.